Hi guys, and welcome back to Jordy and Sam. In today's video I will be opening the Teamcoach 2023. I have 18 packs here and I'm going to open them now. I'm just going to show that they are all sealed before I start opening them. Packet number 1. Okay, this is a silver card, I think. Oh, I got an odd bod. And then, oh, I got Connor Rosie. Okay, packet number 2. Another. Oh, I got a Western Bulldog, best and fairest. And then, oh, I got Aliyah. Okay, this is packet number 3. They look so good. Packet number 4. Oh, I got one of those. Oh, and I got my first one of those as well. Okay, another packet. Oh, I got another best and fairest. Okay, another packet. Oh, I got another craft card. Okay, let's open another one. Oh, I got another one. Okay, let's open another one. Oh, I got Zach Brothers. Oh, I got a Star Powers. Okay, let's open another one. Oh, another best and fairest. Okay, and let's open another one. Oh, another one of these Star Powers. Okay, let's open another one. Oh, a support card. Oh, another Star Powers. Okay, let's open this one now. Ooh. Oh, another one. Okay, let's open another one. Oh, another Star Powers. Okay, another one. Hopefully I get something good soon. Oh, these actually move. I didn't know that until just then. I've only got 4 packets left now. And still nothing good. Oh, another one of those. Oh, another one of these. Okay, let's open another one. Hopefully we get something good now. Oh, just another Star Powers. This is the second to last packet now. I've got a gold one. This here is my very last packet. Or just a normal craft card. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time for another video. Bye!